What is going on in ODM? I want to say this. ODM party is not a party for Luos. ODM party is a party for all Kenyans. And I want to say this. It seems that we are losing direction as people of Luo Nyanza. It seems that we have been brainwashed by people who want to sell the Luo community because of political reasons. And I want to say this. Leo ndo nimejua bona Raila Amolo Odinga hakuwahi kuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Na mimi nataka niombe msamaha kama kijana kutoka Siaya County. I want to say this to the entire country. We have realized the reason why Baba Raila Amolo Odinga never became the president. It is because of people like that of Junet Mohammed, like that of Gladys Wanga, like that of John Badi, like that of Opiyo Wandayi. Hadi sasa sisi leo ndo tunajulikana kutetea serikali ambaye we did not even vote for that government. We are the ones who are defending the government more than even Oscar Sudi, more than even Farouk Kibet, who is the personal assistant of President William Samoei Ruto. Mimi nataka niseme hivi. Hii maneno tumesikia watu wanatusi Winnie Odinga. Ati leo watu wanaambia Winnie Odinga ati ungefanya harusi, ati ufanye harusi. Mimi nawaambia hivi, when Baba was alive, why did you not tell Winnie Odinga to do afanye harusi? Ati leo sasa ndo mnaambia Winnie Odinga afanye harusi. We want to tell you this disrespect of the family of Odinga, Raila Amolo Odinga. We as the people of Siaya, we are not going to allow. We are not going to allow you to abuse Winnie Odinga. This nonsense must come to an end. And we are saying this. Hii mambo ya kusema heshima ya wazee, mimi nataka niseme hivi. Oburu Odinga, sisi tunakuheshimu, lakini tunakuambia sisi round hii hatutapangwa. We have political experience from Raila Amolo Odinga for the longest time possible. So don't tell us that, oh, we need to respect you people, because you people, you yourselves have been mentored by Raila Amolo Odinga. Nyinyi mulikuwa mnashikwa mkono. So don't tell us, oh, you have any political mileage that you can now come and lecture the youths in ODM. Na tunasema hivi, you must respect Winnie Odinga. You must respect Babu Owino. You must respect Edwin Sifuna, who is the Secretary General. Na jana niliona vijana ambao wamechanganyikiwa jana. Ati sasa wanafanya press conference wakisema ati oh, sijui nini, ati Sifuna atatoka ODM vile Babu na mambo alitoka. Mimi nataka niseme hivi, we as the people of Luo Nyanza, if you want a progressive party, we must respect the youthfulness